What if one of the most legendary sports cars in history came back to life? Not as a museum piece, not as a retro tribute, but as a modern Super GT built for the future. Today we're looking at what could be the 2026 Mercedes-Benz 300SL Gullwing, a stunning modern interpretation of one of the most iconic cars ever created. And honestly, if Mercedes actually builds this, it could instantly become one of the most beautiful cars on the road. Let's take a closer look. First, the design. One glance and you immediately see the DNA of the original 300SL. But everything here is clearly modern Mercedes performance design. Up front, the car features an incredibly wide and aggressive stance, sitting extremely low to the ground like a true grand touring machine. The grille is massive, finished in a dark mesh pattern with a giant Mercedes star at the center, instantly giving it that unmistakable brand identity. Stretching across the nose is a sleek full-width LED light signature, a modern design language Mercedes has been experimenting with on its newest concept vehicles. The headlights are razor-sharp, incorporating multiple LED elements that look both futuristic and intimidating. And when you combine that with the sculpted hood and wide front fenders, the entire front end screams high-performance luxury. Moving to the side profile, and this might be the most beautiful angle of the car. The proportions are absolutely perfect. Long hood, compact cabin, short rear deck. Exactly the formula that made the original 300SL legendary. Large performance wheels fill the arches, paired with massive red brake calipers that hint at serious stopping power. Behind the front wheels, you'll notice the 3 slat side vents, a clear homage to the original Gullwing design. But everything here feels smoother, more aerodynamic, and unmistakably modern. The roofline flows beautifully toward the rear, giving the car a classic GT silhouette while still looking extremely futuristic. And yes, if this concept ever became reality, those Gullwing doors would almost certainly return. Because without them, it simply wouldn't be a true 300SL. Now let's talk about the rear. The rear design is clean, muscular, and extremely modern. A thin LED light bar stretches across the entire width of the car, emphasizing how wide and planted the vehicle looks. Below that sits the Gullwing 300SL badging, reminding everyone exactly what legend this car is inspired by. Down low, things get serious. A massive carbon fiber diffuser dominates the rear bumper, flanked by quad exhaust tips, signaling that this machine is built for performance. This isn't just a pretty grand tourer. This thing looks like it wants to hunt supercars on the Autobahn. Step inside, and the interior continues the theme of modern luxury mixed with motorsport inspiration. The cabin features a fully digital instrument cluster combined with a large portrait-style infotainment screen dominating the center console. The steering wheel is pure Mercedes performance design, wrapped in leather with metallic accents and integrated controls. Premium quilted leather seats provide both comfort and support, clearly designed for long-distance grand touring. Carbon fiber trim runs throughout the cabin, reinforcing the car's performance identity. And of course, the centerpiece would be those dramatic Gullwing doors, opening upward to create one of the most theatrical entries in the automotive world. It's the kind of car where simply opening the door becomes an event. Now let's talk about what could be under the hood. Since this is still a concept interpretation, nothing is confirmed yet. But if Mercedes were to bring back the 300SL today, it would likely feature something truly special. Many experts speculate a hand-built AMG powertrain, possibly a 4.0-liter twin-turbo V8, producing somewhere around 620 to 700 horsepower. Paired with Mercedes' advanced performance chassis, this could push the car from 0 to 60 miles per hour in under 3.2 seconds, with a top speed approaching 200 miles per hour. There's also a possibility that Mercedes could integrate hybrid performance technology, similar to what we've seen in newer AMG models. Either way, performance would almost certainly match the car's dramatic design. As for pricing, If a modern 300 SL ever reached production, it would almost certainly sit in the ultra-luxury sports car category. Industry estimates suggest a starting price somewhere around $280,000 to $350,000, which would position it directly against cars like the Porsche 911 Turbo S, Aston Martin Vantage, Ferrari Roma, and even the Mercedes-AMG GT Black Series. But unlike those cars, the 300 SL Gullwing would carry something far more powerful than horsepower numbers. Because the original Mercedes-Benz 300 SL isn't just a classic car, it's widely considered one of the most beautiful automobiles ever made. And if Mercedes ever decides to revive that legend, this modern interpretation shows exactly how breathtaking that revival could be. So the question is, if Mercedes actually built this modern 300 SL Gullwing, would you want one in your garage? Because honestly, this might be the perfect fusion of classic heritage and futuristic performance.